What it do, gang? Woo did that. Back with another video. You know what the fuck going on, y'all? Yeah. So we back on the colors today. So damn. I know I be trying to show y'all this shit, but boy, ain't no way you gonna record while you trying to put all this shit in this car. I don't know where my tripod is. I'm gonna get it back together though. But y'all see what's going on. I got the dash back in here, fully in here, full wire harness and everything. The parts car I had a good wire harness. So y'all can see it over there. It was loomed and everything. I gotta run into the rest, run the rest of it over there, you know, to the light that's in the glove department and stuff. But I ran into a problem when I started that bullshit. Gotta start paying more attention to detail. Hold on, y'all. I got me somebody pulling up. All right, I'm back. Everybody want me to do something, I'm recording, you know. But hey, yeah. So I ran into a problem. So I put the whole wire harness in. I'm talking about bolted it to the frame, into the body and everything. And then I get up here and I'm trying to plug the whatchamacallit in, the wire harness that goes to the engine bay. And guess what, y'all? It didn't match. This the old. It didn't match at all. So I went online and tried to see how much I can buy one of these for. $150 plus $100 in shipping. Oh hell no. So I went back to the old wire harness, which I keep. Glad I kept that raggedy piece of shit. And I cut the block off of it, and I just color matched all the wire. You know, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just see everything gonna be right. I think I'm gonna go back and solder everything and put some heat shrink on this shit just to make sure everything. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get that piece all up in there and the piece up under the hood intact. I really want to put some fire to this so I can see if all my stuff works. All right. Bam. So we back, right? So I done went and got the wire harness and all that stuff right there situated. I'm just gonna show y'all what's going on. So boom, we back piece. I'm gonna find me another wood piece though to match the rest of. The rest of these jumps look pretty decent. That one just a little off. It's a good piece, just not the right color. We even got the wire harness to go up under the into the engine bay. We got that done right too. Yep. In there like swimwear. Got everything plugged up but the cruise control. Yes, I got everything but that. Ooh, police. What they are? They ain't my business though. Yeah, so we moving and grooving, man. I still ain't finished the sunroof yet. I'm gonna get to it. I'm just doing a little bit at a time, man, until we get it all right. My next step though, for sure, is to go and go and sand these floors down, take these seats out. Yeah, sand the floor down, take these seats out, stuff like that. And go ahead and paint the floor, put some kill mat down. And when I do that right there, everything gonna come together. The car gonna be down there immaculate, bro. No cap. Yeah. That's the update on the colors though, man. Until further notice. I don't like how this gonna come up, man. No kissing. I'm thinking about going with the bench seat because this is a bench car. I do got some bench seats over there. I'm thinking about putting the bench seats in here, man. No cap. It might do better as far as like not trying to make no screw holes and stuff like me, seat mounts, cause these ain't gonna never line up. I'm gonna have to make everything work. Oh snap! Sorry, my screws. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get some more footage on the colors. All right, we back. It's a whole entirely different day, gang. Well, next day probably. But yeah, I've been grinding, man. Y'all see this shit? This shit at the car. So I'm finna I went to Walmart or whatever. I got some I got this shit. So I'm finna it ain't want no rust in this car really. But I went and got all the little surface rust that was finna start and grind it down. Now I'm finna so I still got the whole dash in here now. I went and got some clear coat and went and painted that part. All them parts. So yeah. We really in there now, man. Full dash in there all the way around. Lights and everything. Fully. So this is what's going on today. I'm finna probably go in the house and get my tripod real fast. And put y'all on the time lapse. I'm finna go and get all this inside black. I got some kill mat on the way. So finna go and get that. So y'all know this piece right here. When I first bought this car, this piece right here was gone. I only had one piece. So I went and tried to color match it. So this is the old piece right here, y'all. Piece, right? So I went and tried to buy some black paint. I bought some flakes and I went and bought some clear coat, right? And I painted the other one. Y'all see this? It's flaking, but it's flipping. That wasn't my intentions at all, but it is what it is, man. They match. Well, kinda. I might just scuff that one up and hit it with some flakes too, though. To be real with y'all. Man, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna hit it with some flakes too. This right there's just crazy. So yeah, y'all, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on whenever I go get the tripod. All right. Yeah, boy. This shit right here stinks. No crap. I probably just took the damn seatbelt off for sure. But yes, I am gonna paint the whole floor. I'm just getting the real parts where it's rusted first. Probably gonna let it dry and then come back with another coat of this stuff. Yeah. But y'all get the idea, man. Like I said, this car wasn't bad at all. I'm really just doing this just to secure me as far as like longevity. But this car wasn't bad at all. No floor pans, not a rush hole, not a single rush hole. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get most of this floor cover, alright? Alright, gang. How we looking? Look at that dashboard and shit, dusty. But yeah. I'm gonna finish up though. Get all the way to the back there and stuff, man. But like I said, there's some areas I really didn't even cover. Of course, I said it ain't really like the car just needed this. I just done it really to for my security, man. And in the areas where I went to the metal, I went over double. So yeah, man. Getting there like swimmer, man. So now, you know, I gotta go on ahead and the kid man gonna be here in a couple days. So we're gonna kill him at the whole interior. And then we gonna go from there, man. Starting process, man. Y'all know how this shit get. This shit get real wicked, real fast, man. So boom, we got the floor pans and the colors done, man. I'm gonna show y'all this too, man, cause that sunlight out. That sunlight got this motherfucker hit. No kidding. Y'all see it? Man, oh my God. Like, I can't even describe this. You guys see that color change? Man, I might paint my whole car like this. No kidding. But man, yeah. Woo did that. Checking out with another video, man. You know what's going on, man. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. So next video we gonna be doing the kill mat, and yeah, we gonna be doing the kill mat and fumbling with these seats, man. You gonna see what's going on, cause I went and got the bench seats in the front now. So I might just go bench. I might bench it out with the still with the shifter on the floor, but in the front of the bench seat though. So, like I said, man, who did that? Checking out with another video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Yeah, all right.